Welcome back to Odom's Homestead down here in Zone 7A, Tennessee. This morning, just another garden morning walk and talk. And what we're looking at first is that Alberta peach. You can see she's flowering. Look at Mr. B on her. Yeah, like spring is here. We still like 2 or 3 weeks from our last frost date. And you can see Bella, Georgia. It's flowering like crazy. She's got flowers everywhere. Look at the oregano, just ready to be harvested. Look at that garlic right there. 3 varieties of oregano. Big Red still hasn't did nothing. I don't know. He might be downer. Need to check him. Little Red took a lot of damage from the frost, so I don't know if she will even produce anything this year. Garlic. Raspberries still setting leaves. Yeah. Bananas is starting to wake up. So are them little pineapple guavas. Blueberries is already leafing out. That King cherries is blowing like crazy. Yeah. Georgia collards are planted up there. Onions. I'm going to put some more onions around them Georgia collards. That Fuji persimmon look like it's starting to try to wake up. That one back there, no, I think it's the goner. This right here is a bush apricot. Then my gooseberries is waking up. It's that second bean cherry waking up. Second gooseberry waking up. I planted some pintos and some peas back here, but that still hasn't sprouted yet. I'm trying to utilize as much of that space back there as I can. I don't see any germination yet. I was hoping after this rain they would start popping up, but so far, nothing, nada. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe soon. I'm probably finna uncover these figs, let them start getting some sun. Blackberries just still leafing out, not flowering yet. Red Haven is starting to wake up. These values are starting to come back. That King Cherry just exploding. Look at them. Look at them. They're exploding. This Niagara grape is starting to wake up. All this garlic down here on the planet. About a couple weeks ago. Look at all the strawberries. You think I only planted like 7 strawberry plants here beginning of last spring. Now look how many there are. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take some of them up. More garlic coming up that I planted there. Here too. Some of these rose bushes that don't look good at all. Let's see what's wrong with those. They don't come back. Just have to replace them. One thing I know to do. There's one right there. See, it's already leafed out and everything. But most of the other ones has not did nothing. It's a mystery. See, Lapine cherry is starting to wake up. The first Lapine we planted is waking up. Blueberries are setting flowers. That blueberry right there. That one right there is a Woodard. It's a Woodard blueberry. She's pretty. She's pretty. I got like the third or the fourth year I had her. I have quite a few blueberries in this area. Well, all my blueberries is in this area now. Quite a few varieties. Yeah. I planted some potatoes here. There's some Jersey cabbage. That right there is another gooseberry, the red variety I just planted. It's beautiful. It's amazing how much you can grow in a single. Oh, look, just half an acre. Onions. They're starting to grow up and look pretty good. And I gotta get all of these mulched in. I don't really know what I'm gonna grow in this bed right here yet. I was thinking cucumbers, but I don't know. Thinking cucumbers, putting trailers on both ends with wire fence, but I don't really like cucumbers growing on wire fence. It's just hard and they misshape them. So I don't really know where I'm gonna put my cucumbers yet. We'll figure it out. Because I got some that has germinated. Onions and greens right here in this garden bed. Turnip greens and collard greens. Turnips came up more plentiful than the collards. It usually does. Strawberries, a lot of them starting to set fruit. Look like a ton of greens coming up right there. You see that ton of green? Yeah. Ton of green coming up right there. See if I can zoom in on it. You see it? Yeah. That probably come from the compost. Because we didn't have a ton of greens in there last year. These strawberries in this gotta be cleaned up. I hadn't cleaned them out yet. I plan on taking them out, moving that bed up on the porch, grow most of the spinach up there, and shade it so it can grow a little bit longer. Hear them wild dogs back there running like they crazy. Yeah. It's over here at Apple Lane. You see them blackberry? Yeah, I had my blackberries over here and I moved them. Some of the root was still there, so yeah, another blackberry plant came up. This Arkansas Black hasn't woke up in that yet. This Red Delicious hasn't woken up yet. Crab apple's waking up. Odom's apple's waking up. This rose bushes is waking. Garlic looking lovely. Gala's waking up. Dwarf pomegranate. Don't really see nothing going on yet. All that garlic, herbs, oregano, and lemon balm. Looking good. Get up and move, boy. And I really think my Golden Delicious may be dead. May be dead. And look at the queen, second year in the ground, and she's already flowering. And this is that Golden Delicious. And yeah, she's got flowers everywhere. And I purchased this tree the beginning of spring last year, and I only got it for $12. You know where I got it? My local flea market on Saturdays and Sundays. Our local flea market, most of our nurseries from around the surrounding counties are there selling their products for cheap. So yeah, I purchased a lot from there. Time is coming back to life. It's that 6-year-old time. Look at them chives. I'm just planting some more rosemary right there. And that's lemon thyme from last year. Some sage I just planted. Strawberries I just added all back through here. Yeah, Honeycrisp is starting to wake up. It'll be her 3rd year in the ground. She hasn't gave me any fruit yet. She hasn't flowered yet. Maybe this year. Maybe this year. We shall see. We shall see. Just moved some of the straw and stuff off of these bananas. Some more chives right there. These are just wild weeds. These gotta be, I gotta get all this out. And I gotta extend this back more to the fence row. You see, since we put that fence up, gave it a little bit more space. So I'll be sheet mulching all of that, moving stuff back, putting more wood chips down, and yeah, utilizing that space too. No wasted space, that's what I say. No wasted space. My little trifoliage orange right there. Still green, it's coming back. The other two, I think, one is still over there, still alive. But the other one, I think it might be dead. I think the deer ate it down. That's what I put them up for, to take the deer off. Look at the flowers, though. Look at these. Them tulips. I asked the wife last night what they were. She said, yeah, them tulips. They're beautiful. They're beautiful. Wish they would last all summer. You know, tulips don't last all summer. They're beautiful, though. Man, that's that Kiefer pear. She's blooming like crazy. Hell yeah. Yeah, she's looking good. She's always reliable. Always reliable. This rose bush right here, it's a white rose bush. It's not doing nothing. Nothing. Hope it ain't dead because 30 years it's been in the ground. Pineapple pear is looking terrible already. Look at some of the leaves on it. And it has not flowered. This is 3rd year in the ground. I don't know, this one, thinking about removing. That's that Mongolian pear, the oldest one I got. It's just now leafing out. Yeah, it is. It's cool a little bit. And this is that Bartlett pear. It's starting to flower. It flowered last year too. Gave me a couple of little Bartlett pears. Yeah. So that's what we got going on down here. It's on 7A, Tennessee. More tulips. Like I always say, growing is my passion.